in the Philippines.
So we are just going to take a little quick walk. Afternoon, sun is about to go down. I think what's 4:30, 5 o'clock, and we got to go out and get a little bit of food supply. And we're going to take a little walk through the neighborhood. So come on, walk with us.
Yeah, it's so hot today.
Yeah, it's hot today. I looked earlier and it was 95 Fahrenheit around 11, 12 o'clock this morning. And it is hot. Probably close to 100 at this point. Hi guys, how are you? You getting bored? Bored too much quarantine? Yeah. All right, so back here, this little road up here a few hundred meters is a little store that has a little bit of everything. Let's go down here and see if the bakery is open. Back in here there's a little bakery, and we'll go and see if they are open. Maybe we can get some bakery goods.
Yeah.
But it's very, very quiet.
Yeah, I like
Very,
quiet.
very quiet.
I like quiet,
Yeah,
but
I like quiet, but this is like
too much.
too much quiet. Right? Are they open? Yeah, I guess they are. But they did the right thing. They put plastic in the whole thing here. Should we buy some bread when we come back? Okay. Hopefully they're open when we get back. They did the right thing. And a lot of people ask us what's up with the masks, and masks are actually mandatory here. And I would say that probably 90% of people are following that ordinance.
Hello?
We'll just walk here. Walk up this way. You see people on their motorcycles, they're wearing the masks.
Yeah, we are 1 meter.
1 meter of a... Yeah, honey, you don't need a whole social distancing to me, I think.
But I need to follow the
That's a little store.
distancing, social distancing.
Yeah, you don't need that. Can't have social distancing in a house, can you?
Sometimes I do it. Yeah,
All right, this way, this way.
this way is closed.
Oh, they blocked it off a little bit. I'm gonna walk up to this. Down the street here is a market. We're gonna walk in there and see. But most of the SAR stores appears to be open. Smaller stores. Hey guys, how are you? Getting boring?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is boring. I agree with you. Oh, look here. It looks like they barricaded this thing. Oh, that's interesting. You see that? See that, hon?
Yeah, look, they blocked the other.
They blocked off the road here, so you
I
can't.
don't know if we can go on the other side.
I don't know.
The block.
We'll find out. Because this portion belongs actually to a different barangay, I think. So,
Now we can go out.
well, we walk down this road and we'll see. This is the beginning of a different barangay right here. So the streets has been closed. Normally, this part up this way takes you into.
That's the one that we buy our
Right. Yeah, but they're not open. They're closed. They're closed. Okay. So, and here's our propane delivery boy. Yeah, so that was close. That was not a good. That was not a good.
This is a good exercise, by the way, guys.
Yeah. Well, it's good to get out and walk a little bit.
Don't forget to wear your mask, face mask.
Oh.
If you go out.
A lot of construction has stopped too. This yeah, this is up here.
Yeah.
This was like a big junkyard before, just a year and a half ago. Yeah. And now they're building apartments up here, so it looks cool. It looks very cool. Hello, guys.
Hello.
Are you guys getting bored?
What?
Are you getting bored?
Yeah.
That's the way it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Where do you live?
We live down here,
Oh, okay.
inside of Barangay. I say they closed off the road up here.
Oh, okay.
So we normally go up here and buy vegetables and stuff, you know, up here.
Supermarket?
Yeah, no, just a little. Yeah, and it's closed off there. Yeah. All right. Yeah, so it's closed off. Not much we can do there.
Yeah, I notice also that some people here are not wearing a face mask.
No, that's
No.
that's it.
That's it.
This house is pretty interesting architecture. This house was not here about a year and a half ago, guys. It just came out. It's a huge house. And then in the back of it, and I think it's the same owner that's building all the apartments in the back. And then this little green add-on right here, they have apartments behind this gate as well. I think I said that in a different video, but
Yeah, it's better to hold this one over here. I'm the one holding the camera right now.
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I think this area also is, I think they build another
It's
house.
gonna be another house or something.
Yeah.
There's still in here. There's still some free lots.
Yeah.
But there's not a whole lot to build on here.
Yeah, exercise.
All right. How does it look here?
We can go out.
No. There you have the
Yeah, there's a
security guards.
security guard over there.
Up in that area. They
Yeah.
half is blocked off. All right. I guess we walk down this way to see if our market is open. I should have gone to SNR today, but I got lazy, slept in too long.
What's that? Oh my gosh.
Another ambulance.
Another ambulance.
We do hear frequent ambulance coming by here for some reason.
Yeah.
Several times a day.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. It's not much you can do, is it?
Sit at home, clean house.
Yeah. And but it's all over now. You know, back in U.S., New York is shut down pretty much, and I think they're worse off than we are. But here, I don't trust the numbers here either.
Yeah, I don't know.
2,000 cases in the entire Philippines sounds a little too low to me.
But how much are they testing? Or what are they capable of doing?
Yeah, well, that's their lack here. They just simply don't have enough testing. So.
But they did shut it down a little quicker than they did in the States.
Oh yeah, they did. They went at it pretty quick. I think it should have been done a month ago. But we'll see. Hopefully it'll let up towards the end of April.
Hope so.
All right. Nice talking to you. Yeah. So we'll stop there and had a little conversation with a foreigner actually. He's standing in the door. And here they have, yeah, this is like the second entrance in and out of the barangay.
Going to SNR.
Going to SNR, yeah. They have pretty much shut it all down.
Yeah, look, before there's a lot of garbage here, but now
Yep, somebody's cleaned the garbage up. It was terrible here.
Yeah.
So, but now they've shut it all down. And this is a place, it's a store, an eatery, and they're closed. And it is closed everywhere.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll go down this way towards our house.
Yeah, that one is the second exit, right?
Yeah, second exit, in and out.
Yeah.
But here you have three exits, and the main area now, they built in the back of the barangay here, they built a completely new development called Rimavan, right?
Yeah.
Development. And I think they're close to 1,000 homes down there?
Yeah. More than.
More than maybe. Actually, we made a video on that, so
Yeah, check it out also.
check it out. I might put a link. Actually, in our videos, we have links going to, if you click on the information there in the video, we have some suggestions, and one is we have a playlist where we talk about places to live in Angeles, Mabalacat, and the surrounding areas here in Luzon, Tarlac, San Fernando.
Yeah.
And we have quite a few videos in there that shows some of those areas. So if you're interested, just hit the I and go to the playlist up there, places to live, and you have plenty of videos.
Yeah, look at all the people here going outside.
Yeah. Ida is out screaming at people. Ida is funny. She is out. Ida is a little lady. She lives back down here in some of the squatter areas.
Oh, Ida is getting mad.
Why is she mad?
I don't know.
Are you mad? Are you mad, Ida?
I don't know. I buy the food there.
What? What's up with you? You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I don't have much on me, but here's a little
Okay, thank you.
for a coffee, okay?
Yeah.
All right. That's our city mayor, Garbo Chris, is that his name?
Yeah, that's the mayor of Mabalacat.
Mayor of Mabalacat. All right, so I guess we'll just continue down this way. And hello, you guys getting bored?
Yes, a little bit.
A little bit? Yeah.
We're working. I just got home from work.
Oh yeah, you were working. Well, that's a good thing though.
Yeah, but we're still in work.
Yeah. What's your line of work, if I may ask?
BPO.
Oh, BPO.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is 45 working.
Yeah.
But your workers at home, we took out the we brought them off to the agents, our agents,
Right.
our workers.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. I have a little web business, so I sit at home and work.
What time is it?
Yeah, I'm a developer, so I do. I have clients in the U.S. And I'm also a technician. I'm running technical director for a shopping network, and I remote control everything from here. And I've been doing that for 5 years. So for me, nothing changed. So, it's good.
It's tiring, you know.
But the way it is right now is that almost the entire United States is shut down now too. And
Really?
I'm assuming a lot of your clients are from there.
Trump doesn't want to lock down the U.S.
No, but he's forced to. Right now with the case that is going on, the United States has 185,000 positive cases.
You overtook Italy already.
Yeah, but you have to have a comparison there too. Italy has 51 million people. The United States has 327 million.
Right.
We have
Ratio?
25% of Italy's population just in New York alone.
Exactly.
New York, and just the main city is over 8.5 million. So it's crazy. All right. So it's crazy.
Yeah.
We just had to go out and get a little air.
Worldwide, huh?
Yeah. All right. It's worldwide for sure.
See you, buddy.
Yeah. See ya. All right. So some people are actually having a little bit of work, and they're continuing to work from home. BPO business. For those of you who are not familiar with BPO, business processing, basically call centers. There's a lot of call centers here, and I know before, I don't know nowadays, but a year and a half ago, when I called regarding my cell phone service, they answered the phone here in Philippines, just a few blocks away from where I live. And I have T-Mobile, so. And I think AT&T has a lot of agents here in Philippines too, and one of the reasons for that is probably, or most likely, that most Filipinos speaks fairly good English, and
Oh yeah.
the people in the call centers, some of them you can't even hear that they are having any dialect, so
Yeah.
you might think they are from the South in the United States. We are wrapping this one up, guys. Some stores are open. Here's a little barber shop. Janice Peanut Butter and Cooker Jam. They have a good supply of bread and other things in this store. So we don't really need to get outside the barangay, and that's a good thing. All right, let's go over here. All right, guys. Thank you for walking with us. Don't forget to hit that share and like and share our videos and the subscribe button. Bye-bye for now. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.